हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, या एज्युकेशनल चॅनलवर तुमचे स्वागत. स्टडी फन अंतर्गत आज आपण पुढील व्हिडिओ बघणार आहोत. नवीन व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी खालील सबस्क्राईब बटनला क्लिक करा व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करा. तर चला बघूया. लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड अँड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मायक्रोब्स, स्टँडर्ड 8, चॅप्टर 1. Can you recall? Textbook page number 1. 1. What is the hierarchy for classification of living organisms? Answer. The hierarchy for classification is as follows: kingdom, phylum, class, family, genus, and species. 2. Who invented binomial system of nomenclature? Answer. Carl Linnaeus invented binomial system of nomenclature. 3. Which levels of hierarchy are considered while writing the name in binomial nomenclature? Answer. The level of hierarchy considered while writing the name in the binomial nomenclature are genus and species. The genus is written by the first word and species by the second word. Use your brain power. Textbook page number 3. Explain merits and demerits of Whittaker's classification. Answer. Merits. Prokaryotes are placed in different kingdom. Unicellular eukaryotic organisms are placed in kingdom Protista. Fungi are saprophytic, placed separately in unique kingdom. In 5-kingdom classification, the cell structure, organization of cell, mode of nutrition, lifestyle, and phylogenetic relationship are taken into consideration. More authentic system of classification. Demerits. Organism showing autotrophic, heterotrophic mode of nutrition becomes confusing during their placement. In kingdom Protista, organisms show different characteristics. In spite, they are placed together. In some kingdom, organisms having primitive characters were not included. Viruses are not included in any of the kingdom by Whittaker. This is reduced question in syllabus for the session 2020-2021. हा प्रश्न अभ्यासक्रमातून 2020-2021 सालासाठी बाद केलेला आहे, कमी केलेला आहे. Exercises. 1. Use Whittaker method to classify bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes. Answer. Bacteria, kingdom Monera. Protozoa, kingdom Protista. Fungi, kingdom Fungi. Algae, if unicellular, kingdom Protista. If multicellular, kingdom Plantae. Prokaryotic, kingdom Monera. Eukaryotic, any kingdom other than Monera. Microbes, kingdom Monera or Protista. 2. Complete the 5-kingdom method of classification using living organisms, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, Protista, animals, plants, fungi. Answer. Living organisms get classified into prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic is again classified into unicellular. Eukaryotic is again classified into unicellular, multicellular. Unicellular prokaryotic classified into Monera. Unicellular eukaryotic classified into Protista. Multicellular eukaryotic classified into fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Question 3. Find out my partner. Column A contains fungi, protozoa, virus, algae, bacteria. Column B contains chlorella, bacteriophage, candida, amoeba, prokaryotic. Answer. Column A, fungi. Column B. Candida. Protozoa, amoeba. Virus, bacteriophage. Algae, chlorella. Bacteria, prokaryotic. 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Explain your statement. A. Lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. Answer: false. Explanation: Lactobacilli are useful bacteria. They are used for curdling the milk and for preparing variety of milk products. B. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Answer: true. Explanation: Cell wall of plants is made up of cellulose and cell wall of fungi is made up of complex sugar called chitin. C. Organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. Answer: true. Explanation: Amoeba is a protozoan, primitive organisms which possesses pseudopodia as the organ of locomotion. E. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. Answer: true. Explanation: Tomato wilt is a viral disease that infects only plant cells. 5. Give answers. A. State the merits of Whittaker's method of classification. Answer: Prokaryotes are placed separately in different kingdoms. All unicellular eukaryotic organisms are clubbed together in kingdom named Protista. Fungi are saprophytic and hence they are placed separately in kingdom. In 5 kingdom classification, the cell structure, organization of cell, mode of nutrition, lifestyle and phylogenetic relationship are taken into consideration. This system is more authentic system of biological classification. B. Write the characteristics of viruses. Answer: Viruses are extremely minute of the size range from 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. They are on the borderline of living and non-living, visible through only the electron microscope. Though they are not considered as living, they can make replica of their own. They are long molecules of DNA or RNA which are covered by protein coat. Their survival is possible only inside the host cell. They produce their own proteins. These proteins form many replicas of the infecting virus. Their survival is possible only inside the host cell. They produce their own proteins. These proteins form many replicas of the infecting virus. Viruses are pathogenic. They cause diseases in plants and animals. C. Explain the nutrition in fungi. Answer: Most of the fungi are saprophytic in their nutrition. They absorb the nourishment from dead and decaying matter. They take organic matter from dead bodies of plants and animals and survive. In this process, they degrade the organic matter. D. Which living organisms are included in the kingdom Monera? Answer: Characteristics. They have prokaryotic unicellular structure, autotrophic or heterotrophic mode of nutrition, consist of different type of bacteria and blue-green algae. Example: Vibrio cholerae, Clostridium tetani, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Salmonella typhi, Treponema pallidum, Legionella pneumoniae, Clostridium botulinum, Staphylococcus aureus. 6. Who am I? A. I don't have two nucleus, cell organelles or plasma membrane. Answer: Microbe from Monera. B. I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Answer: Protozoa from Protista. I am anyone of eukaryote. C. I live on decaying organic matter. Answer: Fungus. D. I reproduce mainly by cell division. Answer. Bacteria and some protozoa. E. I can produce my replica. Answer. Virus. F. I am green but don't have organs. Answer. Algae. 7. Draw neat and label diagrams. A. Different types of bacteria. Answer. B. Paramecium. Answer. C. Bacteriophage. Answer. 8. Arrange the following in ascending order of size: bacteria, fungi, virus, algae. Answer. Virus, bacteria, fungi, algae.